What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Sizzle or Fizzle. I'm Rick,
And I am your boy, Kaz.
and this is the show where we listen to different artists. We put our heads together, we determine if we like it or not so much, aka does the track sizzle or does it fizzle? Kaz, we going
Uh,
back in the hip hop game here.
yep,
This is one of the coldest acts to ever come out of Def Jam.
yep,
And from the start, they mixed hip hop with rock because
yep,
they were produced by Rick Rubin.
yep,
I'm talking about the Beastie Boys, and this one
yep,
is Sabotage.
yep.
Now, there's a reason why I'm watching the video version. I'll get to that as soon as we get done.
Yep.
But here we go. Get in the comments and let us know if you agree, disagree, or something else altogether.
Yep.
All right, Beastie Boys with Sabotage.
Yep.
Ah, yeah. Um, okay, first of all, I love that video. Uh, because I, I'm a movie and TV guy. Um, I was just getting those Starsky and Hutch and those early 70s police procedural shows. And that's what they based the video on. You could see it with everything they were doing, the car chases, the
Like
interrogations.
the mustache, the
Yeah.
hair, the
Yeah.
clothes.
Yeah. It was great. And so, yeah, the video had me from the beginning. The music had me too. Um, damn, I love that riff. I love the beat when the drums start hitting at the beginning. Yeah, I can't even put it into words. It's a sizzle, y'all.
Mm. Yeah, it had a nice beat. It was a nice beat to it. I do like I still love the way they managed to mix rock with the rap.
Hmm.
How uh, uh, is it Adam, I guess, uh,
Hmm.
uh, does vocals like that, multiple songs at a time. I have no idea. However, um, this song, no playlist for me. I prefer No Sleep to Brooklyn more
Hey,
than
another good
anything
track.
else. I'd take that. So for me, I'd have to soft sizzle. It just the beat got me a little bit, but yeah, that's about it.
Okay, I can see that. I can see that. I mean, everybody has different vibes. Soft sizzle for you, hardcore sizzle for me. Um, Everybody watching and listening out there, we want to know what you think. Is it hard? Is it somewhere in the middle? Is it soft? Not so much. Let us know. Get in those comments. And while you're in there, leave us a like. That way we can share this with other people. And when you subscribe, hit that bell. That way you always be notified when we got things going on.
Here it comes.
Yeah,
Here it
there,
is.
there it is.
Hit the ding ding.
All right.
Ding ding, y'all.
And we appreciate each and every one of you. And let us
Exactly.
know what you want us to get on for you in the future. All right. We're going to be back real soon. In the meantime, in between time, stay positive, stay blessed.
And no matter what's going on in your life, folks, please keep it moving.
Later.
Later.